How to replace a Human Touch Novo X touch panel. You will need a small flathead screwdriver to complete this procedure. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, insert a small flathead screwdriver into the notch on the front of the touch panel, then pry it upward to detach it. Disconnect the connector, then remove the touch panel from the chair. Now, let's replace it. First, connect the touch panel connector. Next, note the tabs on the touch panel and the corresponding slots on the chair. Insert the tabs into the slots, then press down on the front of the panel to secure it. Plug in the chair, then power it on. Power on the remote. Press the power button again, then select power off to restore the chair. The chair is restored when the door touch panel lights turn from red to blue and the remote automatically powers off.